Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over our new Dollar General clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and it is absolutely free. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, just a quick friendly reminder that I have already uploaded a few other Dollar General videos for you all this week. So if you missed out on anything, make sure that you go and check it out. We've got new coupons, we've got glitches, we've got sales, we've got clearance events. We have all kinds of amazing deals to look forward to this week. So again, if you missed out on any of those videos, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright, now let's go ahead and jump right into these new Dollar General clearance markdowns. So keep in mind that all of these markdowns, all these price changes will begin starting on Tuesday, June the 6th. Okay, so first up, we have the yellow dot toys going down to 90% off starting on Tuesday, June the 6th. So that is a really exciting markdown. Now, I have not put up any visuals for you all just yet, but I do have a full yellow dot toy visual video with tons of pictures and tons of UPCs, and I do want to give a huge thank you and shout out to an amazing crazy couponer. I didn't ask if I could say your name or not, but I'm just going to say Jay for now, okay? All right. I want to give a huge shout out and thank you to her. She helped me out tremendously, because the more that I am looking for these yellow dot toys, I'm not finding them anywhere. However, I don't want you all to get discouraged and think that just because I can't find them in my area that you won't find them in your area, because I have seen some amazing yellow dot toy hauls, and I know that these items are out there for a fact, because our awesome crazy couponer who has been helping me out with these visuals, she's finding them all over the place. So I don't want you all to get discouraged or anything and think that you're not going to find these items. I was actually talking to one of the Dollar General employees just the other day, and I realized that I had 2 stores recently remodeled in my area, so all of those toys probably got clearanced out back then. Plus, also, it seems like the stores in my area just kind of have a bad habit of manually marking things down at the register before they're actually supposed to clearance out. So, I don't want you all to think that you're not going to find these items, because I know a lot of people have been scoring really, really big on the yellow dot toys. So, y'all make sure that you stay tuned and turn on your notifications. That way you can come back and check out the yellow dot toy visual video, which will be coming up next. All right, now let's go ahead and jump right into our penny list for this week at Dollar General. Now, if you are new to penny shopping, please keep in mind that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app, and make sure that you have your correct store location set. If it shows the price as 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. So first up on our penny list for Tuesday, June the 6th, we have all of our Mother's Day items. So we have the Mother's Day seasonal category, we have our Mother's Day socks, as well as the Mother's Day pop-up cards. Those are all going to be a penny starting on Tuesday, June the 6th. So here's a look at some of the items that you want to be on the lookout for. We have a few different teddy bears that you want to be on the lookout for. We also have some heart-shaped pillows, and the UPC codes are on your screen there. Now, I may not have all of the Mother's Day items pictured here for you all. These are just the ones that I'm finding in my area. So again, make sure that y'all scan before you go up to the register. Now, here's a look at all the Mother's Day socks that I found in my area with the UPC code. Now, here in just a few seconds, you guys are going to see some items that are excluded, and I do want to thank you guys for pointing that out to me last week. Honestly, I'm usually pretty good about double checking everything, but here lately we have had so many different visuals. I've had so many categories to put together. It must have just slipped my mind and I just didn't think about it. But these items right here, they are in the Mother's Day packaging. They even have the light blue tags on them. Some of them do have a green dot right underneath the price, but these are excluded. They are not following the Mother's Day category. So again, I do apologize. I am only human. I will make mistakes, unfortunately, but that is why I always tell you guys to scan, scan, scan before you go up to the register. All right, now moving right along to another really exciting item. That is going to be a penny. Starting on Tuesday, June the 6th, we have the Hostess Orange Cream Pop Twinkies. The UPC code is on your screen there. And let me go ahead and tell you all, if you like the orange cream ice creams or the popsicles or the milkshakes that you get at Arby's, these things are it. They are absolutely delicious. In fact, I'm already going to tell you guys these are probably going to be hard to find because back when these first hit the shelves, I bought some for my family. We tried them out because we all love the orange cream ice creams and they were delicious and they have been hard to find ever since. But if you do score, this is going to be a really awesome penny find. So good luck to all of my crazy couponers out there. I hope you guys find lots of awesome clearance and penny items this week at Dollar General. This is a really exciting week. We have a lot going on between coupon matchups. We've got rebates. We have the big clearance event coming up this weekend. All kinds of good deals to look forward to. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned. Up next will be our yellow dot toy visual video. So make sure you're subscribed, turn on your notifications, hit that thumbs up button, leave me a smile down in the comment section below, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.